Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia Sorento key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. It's important to have these items ready before you begin. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area to easily see the small components. This process is straightforward and will save you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and simultaneously pull out the emergency key. This reveals a small slot where you'll insert your flathead screwdriver. Gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry open the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The two halves should separate with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Be careful not to damage the battery contacts. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. It should snap securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, please see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.